When looking at your add-on requests, when you expand your photos, you now have the option to download them. This is both from a pending add-on request that needs to be actioned. And we can see my downloads. Took a second. But here is the photo I just downloaded. So that's now saved to your computer, as well as both pending add-on requests, but also for your approved add-on requests as well. You can go back and download those photos. So let's go to, and it doesn't matter what the status is. Complete. It'll appear in my downloads momentarily. And now I can see my photo that I downloaded. So this is available specifically through the notifications page at this time. So you do have to come here to download the photos, but you can do this from both the portal in the web browser and also in the mobile app.